my second round of sorting is going to be to add a star rating to the images that are the cream of the crop. Okay, these are going to be my favorite images. These are going to be the ones that I will edit and most likely share on my website or share online or make prints, that kind of thing. So I'm not going to go back through, in this case, my 21 images in my original folder to find the best of the best, because I've already sorted them once and added pick flags. So I'm going to go through my picks and add a star rating to my favorites from that group. The sort is going to look very similar to what we did to find the pick flags. I'm going to click on the first image. I'm going to press Shift-Tab to hide the panels. And then I'm going to be a little more critical this time. I'm really looking for sharp focus. I'm looking for an image that's almost done right out of the camera. Okay, my favorite pictures. In order to add that star rating, I can do one of two things. I can either click down here in the toolbar on the 1 star, or I can simply press 1 on the keyboard. Now you can use the numbers 1 through 5 to add 1 to 5 stars to an image. For me personally, an image is either a star or it's not. I don't bother to separate them into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. So I just add 1 star if it's my favorite picture. Add a star here. I'm going through the images that I've already added a pick flag to and picking my favorite ones. Okay, so now I'm done. I press the G key to go back to the grid view. Now I have a couple of images. I have 3 that show a little star on the preview. I'm going to press Shift-Tab to get my tools back, and let's create another smart collection to keep up with these star pictures. I click the plus button on the collections panel, create a smart collection. Now you notice it saved our rules that we used last time. It saved our pick flag as flagged, and our folder contains 1346. That's handy because all we have to do is change it to rating is 1 star, and now we have all our rules set up. Change this to class stars and click create. So now this smart collection automatically collected the 3 images in the 1346 folder that have a star rating. I'm going to use one more tool in the collections panel to help us stay a little more organized. I'm going to hit the plus button on the collections panel, and I'm going to create a collection set. Now for the name of this collection set, I'm going to use the same serial number 1346 as my original folder, and I'm going to call it Lightroom class set, and then I click create. Now there are no photos in this collection set because we haven't put any there yet. What we're going to do is drag the 2 smart collections and the dumb collection that we already made into this set. So just simply drag it over and drop it on top, and now you can see that the class smart collection is inside of the Lightroom class set. I'm going to drag my class stars into that set and also my regular collection class set. So now I have the 3 collections that I've made previously into this one collection set. So I can close that up, and you can probably imagine down the road if you end up with 200 or 300 folders full of images that all have a smart collection with stars and all have a smart collection with picks, that this collection panel can get pretty full. So if you can put everything in this little shoebox of a collection set and then close it up if you're not using it, it can really help your interface to stay tidy so you can find what you're looking for more easily. I wanted to give you an idea of what this collections workflow looks like using my everyday catalog. So in this case, I've got the 1327 GX7 road trip collection set, and inside of that set are 3 smart collections and a regular collection. Now the first 2 smart collections are collected images from specific camera bodies. The first is from the Lumix GH3 and the second is from the Lumix GX7. Under that is my regular pics collection, just like I showed you how to make earlier, with images from the 1327 folder that have a pick flag. The last collection is a series of images that I collected manually in order to give a presentation at a camera store. These images don't necessarily have anything in common like a camera model or a flag or a star, but they're images that I wanted to use for this specific presentation. Now if I want to close this up, I can just hit the button, and instead of 4 collections, I see the 1 collection set, and I can open it up if I need to get into those images.